Hi friends. This is Tech Brothers. Usually we talk about smartphones, tablets and others gadgets on this channel. But now we want to tell you about Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. Haier XShuai T370 is interesting vacuum cleaner that focused on European and US market. For example, a special application supports 10 languages and features interrogation with Amazon Alexa, artificial intelligence assistant. It means that you can control your device with voice commands and even give it a name that your digital companion will recognize. The vacuum cleaner ships with 2600 mAh battery that will provide you with 2 hours of cleaning time on a single charge. Also, the device will automatically return to its dock when it will be discharged. Haier XShuai T370 is equipped with Hepa Filter that allows it to collect even the smallest dust particles. Also, it supplies with 300 ml water tank for wet cleaning. Haier XShuai T370 looks like ultimate robotic vacuum cleaner that every household needs. It has 4 cleaning modes, 2 side brushes, Epson-made gyroscope, and the ability to climb surfaces, angled at up to 15 degrees. Moreover, now you can buy this vacuum cleaner at a special price. GearBest online store offers coupon code to get 30% discount. So, the final price will be about $169.99. Under the video, you can find all details about price and information about vacuum cleaner. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers.